gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD, and we're still below the 50 moving average, this yellow line, at a price of $53.29. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, and we're approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. We have broken below the 100 moving average, this orange line, at a price of $53.18. As with the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD. As with the trade idea, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $48.44, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $56.19, and my stop loss is at $46.11. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $58.78, and my sell target for it is at $51.03, and my stop loss is at $61.61. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 10%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 10%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 10 to negative 19%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.